don't know what's going on here. Oh, those other ones are alive now. No, I was wrong. They are alive. Well, that's enough. I don't know how much we need. Yeah, a little more. That's fine. Alright, we're going to add the hot water. Let's take about a cup, right? So a cup per gallon, maybe? Well, one that I thought was dead is alive now. So we got these powder post beetles that are eating our barn. Take a look at this. Yeah. Ignore that wire right here. I'm not sure who did that. But yeah, they're eating everything. Look at it. Oh, let's check out this post here. So we mixed up some borax and water. Look at that post. Obviously these need to be replaced, but for now I'm going to just spray them with some borax and see what happens. That's Ann upstairs sweeping. It's probably going to spray the upstairs too. But yeah, there you go. Lots of dust here. Seems to be just the center area, so maybe we can eradicate them here. I don't know. All right, stay tuned. I'm going to start spraying in a second here. There you go. Powder post beetles are eating my barn. Yes, they are. Now I'm back. So I figured out the secret to mixing the borax is you got to use warm water, and it dissolves the borax. So use hot water, and then I found a sprayer that actually works. Alright, so we've been spraying these beams in the barn with borax. Not sure how much mixed in water. And since last night, it's like these little beetles have been busy eating our barn.
Here's one.
Oh, there's little bastards. Look at that.
Yeah, and there were 5 or 6 of them before. They all moved. They hustle. Bastards.
So I don't know if we're wasting our time with the borax.
Sons of bitches.
If you can see that or not, there's a little beetle right there. I'm gonna weird light. It's a weird color. Oh, I think we should capture some and test the borax on them. Put this camera down and we're gonna capture some beetles and run some experiments and see what happens. So, there you go. Sorry about the bright light, but it's dark in here. So, there we go. Powder post beetles are winning. Now we got our borax solution here. All right, so lime powder does these bad boys in. I think that's eating through our styrofoam cup.
I think it is.
Yeah, look at that.
I think it's leaking all over the place. Should I go get that pot?
Yes,
Yes.
you should. Well, this might have to be sacrificed anyway because it's the stick is making a mess in here. All right, so what are we gonna do with this guy here? I don't know what's going on here. Oh, those other ones are alive now. No, I was wrong. They are alive. Oh, got wings, he's flying. I'm trying like heck to get out of there. All right, here's what we're gonna do. Let's see if powder does him in. All right, so we got powder. I mean, that's a lot of borax. This stuff works. Now you're gonna find out. But they still got that one with survivor. Last one right there. Look at that. two are finished. And he is not having a good time right now. He's being hit by borax. So borax, water, with a little bit of lime in this cup too. Let's see this. And that first one died in the water. It's possible lime doesn't end up with borax powder. You eat all the questions. You just throw this borax powder on the floor in the water. So I need to mix it with the spray. I'm going to turn this off. It's getting pretty boring. Let's see how it works. Soaking in the water. Look at him. He's still going. He's a swimmer. So, does borax kill powder torpedoes? I don't know. Maybe we'll see time to know. Doorbell or light socket. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty cool. Anyhow. Alright, well that one is still defying logic here. So we're going to turn this off. But it does seem as though borax mixed in water does seem to do these things in on contacts. But since they can fly, they can just fly to a different part of the barn. So that's not good. Alright, later.
Thanks for trying. Hit this pole. There's 2 or 3 of them walking down this center beam.
Where is he? Where? Ah, there's one there.
Yeah, right there. See him?
Ooh, he's blasting away. Oh, what was that?
There's another one up above that 1, 2, 3, the second nail. You got him.